Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan, and here basically we are discussing about the attraction. Basically, a person told that basically what is Abhiman basically. Abhiman means you can say ego problem basically. Ego problem basically. Ego problem. Then basically one example basically one person basically has given. Example was like this basically. Uh, just recently basically Mumbai basically got one rain basically. I will take as an example of assume that it's a Bangalore city or basically it's a Mumbai city. One person basically was not getting job. He visited few areas in Bangalore or basically in Mumbai. So basically the mm, energy company told that basically we have not given him job basically. So we will finish his entire energy also basically. Whatever, for example, whatever days basically he has came to these areas basically we basically has captured the each and every energies that this area basically he has visited. Like this basically we have captured his energy basically, and then basically we have um, we basically have given one rain basically. In that rain basically we have basically captured his entire energy basically, up to when basically he came, how basically he visited the station, what basically he has eaten, each and everything basically we have washed out with the help of rain. That was basically unseasoned rain. So this was basically Abhiman. Abhiman that basically we have not given him job basically, and we are basically up to that same decision only basically. That we will whatever things basically is going to happen, we will finish his entire energy also basically from the environment. So this basically comes into the what basically. This basically connects to the energy environment. Energy group, our company basically they told that basically we are basically Abhimani group. The decision which we have taken basically we never changes. So for that basically they basically done given some basically rain basically suddenly basically fall. Then basically the USA group basically told that basically why the unseasoned rain basically came. Then basically the USA groups found some logs basically. In that log basically one person basically energy was basically listed, and they basically diagnosed that person name basically. That person basically has came to Mumbai, to Bangalore basically to visit the job basically, but he was not able to get the job basically. He was basically not able to get the job. So the Abhimani group basically told that basically we will wash out his entire energy also basically. So that basically nobody can able to track basically whether he has basically came to Mumbai, came to Bangalore. We will finish his entire basically things basically from the Bangalore and Mumbai. So like this basically they finished his entire energy also and done some seasonal rainfall basically. So this is basically the Abhiman of the government, Abhiman of the energy group basically, Abhiman of the power company, Abhiman of the software companies, Abhiman of the computers companies. So this also basically is one of the attraction. We will not allow this person to generate his next energy. Sorry, next generation basically. We will not allow him to have his next generation. And the another part is we will allow his next generation. So just see basically what actually Abhiman is. So this is also basically one of the part of his generation. It must go next. His generation must is not supposed to go next. So in detail, basically we are going to discuss about the attraction object. So this is also basically one of the attraction basically. That attraction basically says that Abhiman of the software companies, Abhiman of the energy company, Abhiman of the power company. This was basically tracked by the American people basically. They basically literally basically because they are basically number one country. So wherever basically the problem suddenly comes, basically they need to do the checking basically. For that basically they checked basically, and in this checking basically they track that one person basically visited this Mumbai and Bangalore. Due to that basically we basically that basically the group basically done unseasonal rain basically, because they says that basically if we will finish is everything basically. For that basically they have done the unseasonal rain, and they have spent lots of money basically to just give the unseasonal rain basically. So this is also basically one of the attraction, fast attraction. That also very fast attraction. But here basically nothing is going to happen to Mumbai city. Nothing is going to happen to the Bangalore city, because both cities are very powerful basically. Both cities are very powerful basically. Nobody can basically do anything to that city basically. So that basically is the Abhiman of the city basically. That we are going to finish that particular person's career, particular person's energy, everything basically we are going to finish. So this is also basically one of the part of attraction.